What's up, everyone? It's Liz. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 common mistakes that people make when they're trying to reconcile their accounts in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. So the first mistake that people make before they even begin to reconcile an account has to do with bank transactions. So number 1 is they have missing transactions. So if I go over here to the left where it says transactions and bank transactions, what I need to do is I have to make sure that all of the transactions for the month are already classified. So if I'm reconciling November, I can't even start this right now because I still have November transactions hanging in the banking section. So make sure that you match all your transactions first. Number 2, many people enter the wrong ending balance. So I'm going to go over here to settings and reconcile. And a lot of times what will happen is that somebody will enter the wrong ending balance. So this should be the ending balance in your bank statement. I put my ending date and I hit start. Now, if you notice at some point that you put the wrong ending balance, all you have to do is click edit info and you can change it here. So let's say it was supposed to be 133. Then we saved there. Number 3, incorrect date. There have been times where people will put the wrong ending date. So if I go to edit info and I click right here where ending date, I can change it. This is important because let's say you accidentally selected October 30th and it was supposed to be the 31st. That means that 1 day's worth of transactions won't pull. Number 4, incorrect bank account. So let's say you created a journal entry manually. Sometimes what can happen is people can accidentally select the wrong bank account. Let's say I selected this bank account, but it's really supposed to go under a different one. All you would have to do is just go in and make sure that you select the correct one. Another mistake that they make tied into this, especially because we're looking at journal entries, is sometimes people will just put the debit and the credit on the wrong side. So if I'm taking out, for example, money from my bank account to pay for something, if I put it as a debit, that's going to be on the wrong side and that's going to throw off my bank reconciliation. The 5th and final thing is you have duplicate entries. So here's an example. There is a journal entry that was created, and as you can see, one was matched from a bank feed and one wasn't. They're dated the same. All of the information is the same. So that means it's a duplicate. So all I would do is I would click on this, I would click edit, and then I would delete this transaction. And that will get rid of the duplicate transaction and it will allow me to then finish my bank reconciliation. And that's it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, ciao.